Hi, my name is Angie Cordova, and this is my Bitcoin presentation. So the first slide is what is Bitcoin? So Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that a person can buy, sell, and exchange directly with no bank. And Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, originally described the need for an electronic payment system based on cryptographic proof instead of trust. So, what is the history of Bitcoin? Bitcoin was introduced in 2008 during a financial crisis by a person called Satoshi Nakamoto. This person posted on a cryptography mailing list a link to a white paper called Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. In 2009, the blockchain was launched with the first block called the Genesis block, and it was mined. The first test transaction took place about 1 week later. So how does Bitcoin work? Well, Bitcoin is built on a distributed digital record called a blockchain. A blockchain is a linked body of data made up of units called blocks that contain information such as date, time, total value, buyer, and seller, and has unique identifying codes for each exchange. Anyone can see and use Bitcoin and the information that comes with it. So what is the future of Bitcoin? Some claim that the future of Bitcoin includes the investment of vehicles that are innovative, cost-effective, and transparent, and will help make investing in cryptocurrency even more accessible. Some also say this access would rival that of traditional markets. However, to be considered a viable investment or form of payment, Bitcoin should be able to handle millions of transactions in a short span of time. So in conclusion, Bitcoin could be an impactful part of the economy now and in the future. Thank you guys for listening.